Hey guys, oh, I'm actually so tired right now. What the heck? What happened? Okay, whatever. I'm really falling asleep. I also have to pee really bad. Okay, I'm gonna go pee. I'll be right back. 1 second. Today I'll be a beauty guru. Today I'm gonna do my makeup routine. Literally in my routine video I was like, I hate routine videos, and I do hate routine videos, but that's just it. So you know what, leave me alone. I'm gonna do this. I don't give a frick, okay? Oh my god, let me show you something cool. Just give me a second.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Alright, I'll do pink. Oh my god, that's pretty cool, right? Okay, here we are. And now I'm actually gonna start the video. First I have to wet my beauty blender. I forgot about that step. Now I have to get up again. Okay, let me do a quick disclaimer. Basically, don't tell me that I'm doing this wrong, because basically I don't care, because basically I like what I do. So that felt so mean. I just meant like frick off. So first we take, am I supposed to tell you the product names? That's so gross. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So can't even read it, it's so dark in here. This is Becca Aqualuminous Perfecting Concealer. And what you're gonna do is airbrush yourself. Basically cover up any insecurities, hide it all, okay? What I do, first we put some under our eyes. I basically just put, can you see? I put some nice little dots like I'm going to Coachella. And then I also put it on my eyelid. I have 2 eyelids. And then I also do blemishes. I love a good blemish. Okay, and then I also do, this might be controversial, I actually don't know if this is what you're supposed to do, like if this is appropriate. I think I saw James Charles do it. Okay, and then I do chin and T-zone forehead. Here's how we're looking. We blend it out with this beauty blender that's, ooh, it's probably kind of, I mean, I got this like last year for Christmas. I actually can't see anything. Maybe these lights were a bad idea because I actually can't see what I'm doing. I'm gonna open my curtains because I actually can't see anything. Oh my god, I just absolutely hate my life. So I guess these lights were kind of pointless. Oh, kind of want the lights off again. Next, we do something else controversial because I love scaring everyone with my techniques. Okay, basically I use this very old, my mom gave this to me, it's from like very old, Burt's Bees tinted lip balm in the shade Hibiscus. I wonder if they still sell this because it's actually old. She gave this to me when I was like 8. Here's what I do. I use this as blush. And I like it. So, okay, here's what I do because I think this is super cute and like, you should probably put me on Pinterest. I make 2 little hearts on my cheeks and then I blend them out. These are kind of bad hearts. Usually they're better than this, but now I look like Harley Quinn or something. And look, now I look like cool. Okay, I think I put a little bit too much. Next we do highlighter, and basically I don't like using any of the products I'm actually supposed to use. I don't know why I do this, but I use highlighter. I mean, what? I use eyeshadow, which isn't that bad, but I got this Milani palette that Tati Westbrook recommended me, and I use that one. So I take that, I use my ring finger, I put it here on my little, I don't know, and then I put it at the tip of my nose. And there, now, yeah. Next thing that we do is, holy cow, I look like Thomas the Train actually, like I'm not even kidding. Now, sorry, I'm really bad at processing things. Now, oh my god, like why can't I don't even know. Now I'm gonna do eyeliner. So lately I've been using this one because it's like really easy to apply. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Easy Glide Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Deepest Black. Oh god, this is gonna be bad. I don't know if I can do this on camera, that's a lot of pressure. Basically, my eyeliner is a different shape every day, and I think that's part of the fun. So I don't really have a specific technique or shape that I do. I just kind of do whatever happens. I'll be right back. One of my trademarks I would like to say is that my eyeliner is never even. We always have two completely different shapes. So next, I have to clean up this shit show with concealer. And this is a tedious process of eyeliner, concealer until I'm happy, which is never. So I'm actually gonna do this off camera because I don't want you to see me in such a fragile position, I guess you would say. Okay, every day is just a game of what shape will my eyeliner be today. I only started doing this step recently, but what I do is I take my Milani palette. Yesterday I did this nice little red color, and today I'm thinking we do this like copper color, and I put it under my eye. If that makes sense, you'll see. So take a little look-see. Here are my eyes. And then I take my eyeliner again. Oh my god, I'm hot, man. Don't look at my feet, please. I'm terrified of showing my feet on camera now because of the internet's weird relationship with feet. I take my eyeliner again and I connect like the wing right with like under my eye. That makes sense? I'm just gonna do that real quick. So I take this janky eyelash curler and I obviously curl my eyelashes. And then I take the Better Than Sex mascara and I obviously use it. I'm really annoyed. And now I look like this. Oh my god, I'm over it. I don't want to do this anymore. I give up. Elf Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. That honestly sucks. Okay, and then the last step, I'm finally done with this godforsaken routine. I take the old Burt's Bees chapstick, tinted lip balm, and I use it on my lips. It comes full circle. But why did I do that? Here's the look. I hate it, and I freaked up so many times, and I usually am really good at makeup. No, wait, no. I'm done. I'm never doing this again, so... What's that thing? She's always been this way, but always I wish that she always helps the underdog. Guys, don't forget to help the underdog, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.